like I feel like black people in America have been knowing for a long time what it feels to be oppressed, what it feels for your rights to be taken away, what it feels for you to try and shout from the top of the roof, but people are not getting or hearing what you're saying. So I feel like this is no better experience for other people to learn and to really hear what black people have been trying to say in America, you know.
Right.
And
also there's also another sister in one of the videos. She was wearing a black vest. She said that even though Kamala Harris ran the political race, in her eyes Kamala was never meant to win, and she knew as much going in to vote. But she says what this election exposed was that black people could come together to make a decision, and other groups lied that they could come together with black people to make a decision. What it exposed is when it came down to it, black people have always stood alone.